G'day guys, it's Kyle from Legendex, just introducing the Dior Family 200 series car. We had the privilege of doing the performance and protection package. So the protection was the bull bar, winch and sliders, and the performance was the exhaust, which is a 3.5 to single 4-inch tip. And we also did a remap on this one, so check it out. If you want to learn more about our protection packages and performance, head to our website, give us a call or come in store and we can show you around. Cheers guys.